afternoon, it's Tom here from Pershore Motor Group. I just want to show you around this beautiful Ford Mondeo Titanium X Business Edition. I'm going to show you in the cockpit now. As you can see, it is a very high spec vehicle. It's got the half leather and suede seat upholstery. It's got cruise control, it's got sat nav, Bluetooth, it's got front and rear parking sensors as well as many other bits of standard equipment. The back seats obviously match the front seats. Loads of rooms, decent sized car. That driver's seat is all the way back. I think even I need to move that forwards to drive it. Being a big car, it's got a very big boot. It is a hatch as well, this, rather than a saloon, so you've got a massive aperture here, huge boot. And we've got underneath here what our marketing manager describes as a bonus disc. It is a Space Savers spare. Actually, no, that is a full size. That is a full size spare. So all of this is just £8,799 English pounds. Just to top it off, it's only £30 a year to tax as well. Come and see me, Tom, for a test drive today.